In this activity, you will roll your Sphero Robot into the arches. First, set the items as shown. You can place the Sphero Robot at any place you like. Now, scan the QR code and open it with the Sphero EDU app. Once you are in the coding screen, tap the aim icon and spin the blue light on the Sphero Robot to face you. Assign some values into the roll block to move the Sphero Robot into the different arches. Don't forget to press start to run the code. Return the Sphero Robot to the same spot once you manage to roll into each of the arches. Now, let us take a closer look at the block code for any new code we have not seen before. The strobe is from the light block. It also accepts 3 inputs like roll. Firstly, the color in RGB values. RGB stands for red, green and blue. Different amounts or values of each color mixed together create new colors. The higher amounts of red, green and blue mixed, the brighter the light. Secondly, the period in seconds to light. And lastly, how many times the light need to light. Try exploring different values to the strobe input. Put your comments below if you find this activity interesting or not.